Welcome back. I'm Reap, and I appreciate you for tuning in. So today we have another unboxing. You know, this box is more traditional than my last pickup. So if you haven't done so already, go ahead and check that out. I think it's in the right direction this time. I don't know. But yeah, but that's neither here nor there. So as you can tell from the thumbnail, had to do this one for the culture, man. But I am a fan of this style of shoe. Now I believe that this is my first one of like the original sole. I think the three that I have, probably put those right here. I think all three of those are the trail, I want to say. It's been so while since I like put on a pair of shoes because like we've been in this whole pandemic and everything, and then I've been working like crazy. So I've been wearing Crocs, steel toes, and Yeezy slides for the most part. But I think this is the first one with the regular sole, like the OG soles. I got these from Atmos, man. Hey, shout out to Atmos, because these shoes were selling like crazy in my size only. Like, everybody had a full size run well after the release, for the most part, except for the size 12. Like, so when did dudes start wearing 12, and when did y'all start wearing pink shoes? Because everybody said, oh man, I can't wear the stuff that you wear. I would never wear pink. But now you get some pink shoes in the size 12. It's like, who's buying this stuff, man? Or somebody out there lying, man. Y'all talk about me, but y'all behind closed doors, y'all really rocking that pink, man. Nothing wrong wearing pink. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, that's cool. But don't put somebody else down because you don't agree with what they're saying. But that's not the topic of this video. So we got the human race box. Pharrell Williams, Adidas. HU NMD, size 12. Personal cop. You already know. Alright, nothing else. Okay, what is this? The receipt from Atmos. Y'all don't need to see all that. Oh, it comes with the extra laces. Oh, okay. Go ahead and get this out the box so y'all can see real quick. No, I don't like that one. There we go. Got the Adidas Pharrell, that human race, in that pink colorway.
Ryan Little.
Japan. Okay, so let's get into the shoe. So you can see, it's like a baby pink, or you know, light pink, powder pink. He released the all pink trail, I believe. I want to say a couple years ago. I wasn't a big fan of that one, but this kind of like powder pink is just so crazy to me, man. And as you can see, you know, the classic Chinese lettering on the forefoot, which translates to human race, if I'm not mistaken. But definitely let me know down in the comments if I'm wrong. Then you have that pink boost. And, you know, as a Boost fan, I love seeing the color boost. Because at first you're going to get the white. But then once they started doing like black, and now you're doing blue, red, orange, and right now you have the pink. It's just dope, man. You have the, I guess that rubberized cage right there for your lacing system. And you have those pods. You know, if you remember the old OG NMDs that had the red and blue pod. Definitely a dope touch. And yeah, like I mentioned, the Chinese lettering, but it's embroidered. But yeah, it's definitely dope, man. I know the Pharrell, the Human Race line kind of like lost its hype over the years, but still a dope shoe, man. Especially seeing somebody from my hometown, you know, 757 Hampton Roads area, doing something big like this. And it's a dope shoe. Like, I don't think these will ever really go out of style unless you just following the trend. Unless you get a solid colorway, a clean colorway. It's a sock shoe. It's just comfortable at the end of the day. You know, they're not selling out like they used to, but if you can get your hands on them for personal wear, I don't see a problem with it. Then you have, I guess they come with like these cream color laces. But I don't know. I don't know if I would switch to the pink joints. So it'd be like a all over pink shoe, like literally. Or, you know, just give it like breakup of color, man. I don't know. Y'all let me know what I should do. I guess I'll take your word for it this time. I don't know. I might just do one-on-one that I've been doing that with like each pair of my Human Races because I couldn't like decide on which pair to actually put on. So I've been doing like one-on-one. But I don't know. I might keep the cream in there. I kind of like it. And then when I get bored with that, I'll switch it out. But yeah, on the insole, it's like the anatomy of a foot. And I don't think you can see that because the lighting is terrible right now. But yeah, you see like the toes and everything up front. But if you have a pair, you definitely know what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's a dope shoe, man. Dope colorway. Definitely a fan, especially like, you know, spring, summer coming around. And if y'all into like the seasonal color stuff, it's a dope spring shoe, I think, you know. You can definitely do a lot with this. Even with the black ankle collar. You know, you might can finesse the black as well. You can go real basic with this joint. Like, you can do an all black fit, to be honest. Black jeans, you know, black tee or black hoodie, black jacket or whatever you want to do. And it'll still be a pop of color. I would probably do like an all denim joint too, you know. Don't want to give y'all too much sauce, but yeah. The light wash denim, a full, you know, white tee, jean jacket with the matching denim. Throw these joints on. Just, you know, something slight. Nothing too crazy. Because you definitely don't want to take away from this all over pink shoe. Like, definitely a fan. And then like the knit on these. Yeah, it's more of a knit, not like the mesh they usually have. It's definitely a trying to say heavy knit or thicker knit, thick knit I want to say. So you don't have to worry about your foot like getting too airy inside, if that's even the word I'm looking for. You can definitely wear these when it's like a little breeze outside and you shouldn't have an issue. But I think it's reinforced. Yeah, so you see this black woven material on the inside. It's reinforced, so yeah. Overall, definitely a fan. That's why I went for these. So shout out to Pharrell and Adidas for bringing back the original soles on the Human Race. You know, the trail was cool, but can't beat the original joints. So yeah, hope you like this video, man. It's been a while since I was able to jump in front of the camera and shoot these unboxings because, like I said, I've been working like crazy. And it's really been quiet on the releases, man. So yeah, you got your boy E.Reed. You got the Pharrell Human Race in this all pink colorway. Oh, I'm looking at these Twitter links, man. They didn't restock the DMPs on eBay or something for $200. So if you're watching this, it's probably too late. But definitely follow the Twitter. Definitely follow these Twitter pages. That'll be coming in a video very soon. I have another unboxing that I got from Twitter. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this one. I'll catch you on the next one.
When I walk in the club, got money in pockets. I see you with your girls and now you're excited.